Hey, if you want to connect your Android phone with your PS5 Slim, all you have to do, first of all, you have to open the Play Store or App Gallery if you are using Huawei phone. Click on the search pool and now type PlayStation PS app. Actually, that's the shortcut. So that's the application, the PlayStation app that you have to install. For sure, we have to be connected to the internet on our Android phone. And now just wait for this downloading. When you click on this, you can actually see the logo of the application. And on your PlayStation, you have to be also connected to the internet. And after downloading will be finished, we have to click on the open button. Click open it. Now tap to sign in. And here we have to sign in to the same account that you are actually using on your PS5 Slim. So that's how it looks in my case. I have to click next. And the next pull, we have to input the password of our account. So let me do this out of the camera. And then tap to sign in to go forward and complete connection. Now we have to enter this two-step verification code. I have one because I just enabled the two-factor processing by my settings in the PS5 Slim. So I have to get this code, copy, and then I have to enter this code right here and tap to verify. Now I have to wait for this verification. It will take around few seconds, so don't worry about this loading icon. Now we'll be moved forward. That's the data we provide, so click confirm and continue. From here, click next button 3 times. There we go. Click next one more time. Click continue. Enable all notifications. You can also skip the promos and offers, so I'm gonna tap maybe later. Click next. And here we are connected. As you can see, when I click on this icon, that's my profile, how to devices. And when I go into the right upper corner, for sure, that's the same account. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.